Hey folks, welcome to Michael's Art Review. I'm Michael and today I will be doing some art reviews as requested. If you want me to draw on top of your work and review some of your character design or other illustrations, you can send me your artwork through my email, which you can see here, or just send me a direct message on my Instagram, which is here. And to make it even easier, I will be including all the links in the description also. Remember, I'm not trying to be a know-it-all here. I just want to give you folks my opinion on your illustrations that maybe you will think is useful and maybe to keep in mind the next time you create your next masterpiece. Hey guys, back here with another review and let's dive right in. Giant Leap. Nice one, man. Nice. Like always, let's duplicate this one and see what I can do. Some things are a bit cluttered. I hope you know what I mean. I wouldn't have drawn this or this. I would have definitely made this one go outside of here. Like so. Outside of the frame, the green frame, you know. Then it'll go towards the cup or the mug. And also you gotta think of your negative space, right? Like here. Better be if it'll be have some space here, you know, some breathing space. So maybe more like this. So now you have a bit of how do you call this? Now here you have some breathing areas, you know. Also this one I would replace more to the right, so we can do that. Like so. Nice. I would have done the wobbly head, the back of the head. I would have done that differently. Maybe go up. Have some kind of a bump here. Just reach the outside of the background, you know, the green. So it also has a bit more room to breathe, if you know what I mean. Keep in mind here, just give it a bit more space. Also here, it's right on the edge of the foot and the green background. It's a bit distracting. You give it a bit more room to breathe, and I guess it will be better then. Very cool piece. The tongue also, I would have done maybe like so. So he's really pouring the coffee on top of his, kind of on top of his tongue, yeah. Nice one. I like this part. It has something to do with when you hold a mug, you know, you got your pinky up, so it's more, I don't know how you call it. Yeah, I like this one, man. Remember to implement some negative space and make it more clear, you know? Give it some breathing space here and there, and yeah. But I like it though. It's a very cool creature. Maybe put in even an eye. I don't know. Like I said, very cool. Yeah, love it, man. Great job. Okay, on to the next. I have an image by the Protonic Head. Nice one. Very nice. Okay, straight from the bat, I would have drawn... I made more space here. Also with the illustration I just did. Give it more room to breathe, you know. So now this part has some more breathing space. Also for the head, I would have maybe done it like so. Maybe make his hair go this way too. Yeah, why not? He's a bit static also. Maybe you wanna do more of this. No, I can stay there. Yeah. Now his body will be going like this. I love all the creases in his clothing. Don't overdo it though. His hands should be... No, it shouldn't be, but I think it will be nicer here. this would go a bit lower also. Delete this. Yeah, and maybe just move his head lower, turn it around a bit, like so. This is what I would have done, I guess. But it's cool. Very cool piece. Loving it, man. Great job. Okay guys, you like these videos? Be sure to give it a thumbs up, or even a like, a comment. And I will be doing more of these. I will also have some kind of a membership on my YouTube, where you can pay a certain amount a month, where you will be getting some exclusive deals and a more in-depth reviews I'm gonna do, which will take longer. And if you wanna send me your pictures or your illustrations, you can do it through my email right here, or just go to my Instagram, and that's here. Thanks guys. Bye bye.